phone.
Flood warning for southern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania until noon. At 9:06 a.m., Doppler radar indicated
I've really got to start charging my phone at night.
across the warm area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lensdale, East Norton, Quakertown,
This guy didn't go off.
Royalstown. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between 25 and 44. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The current time is 5:04 for the southern Borealis. Today, mostly cloudy. Patchy fog this morning. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms this morning.
I really gotta start charging my phone.